Hey guys, so I wanted to give you some more information about the Revlon dual-ended jelly makeup blender that I talked about in yesterday's video. If you didn't see that video, you might want to go back and watch that one first because this one would make a lot more sense. This is kind of like a part two, I guess you would say. This is what it looks like. I got it at CVS. And what it is it's a dual-ended makeup blender applicator. And on one side it has a small silicone tip and the other side has a larger one. So yeah, I used it a bunch of different ways in yesterday's video and I was crazy about this, but I also had not used it in a number of different ways. So today I wanted to use it for more ways to find out if I loved it just as much or if it would work for those particular applications. So today I wanted to see how it would work with my corrector and concealer. And honestly, I wasn't really that crazy about the way it blended with these for whatever reason, so I wouldn't use it for that. And it was okay for my foundation, but I think I prefer a brush, but it was okay for my foundation. It's just kind of tough because this is not a very large circumference, so it makes it a little bit difficult, you know? And then you can't use it with powder products. It's not meant for that. So then I tried using it with a liquid blush because in yesterday's video I used a stick blush and it was great for that. But this is crazy pigmented. So I ran into the same issue with this that I would any other time because I did a video about the best way to apply pigmented liquid blushes, and I think I'm going to go back to doing it that way because that is the best way that it works. Because when you put even a dot of this on here, it's too intense, you know, you can't really blend it out well enough. So for liquid blushes, I would not use that, but for a cream or stick blush, this is wonderful. And then my highlighter, I used a powder highlighter today, so I didn't use it for that because, like I said, you're not supposed to use it with highlighter. Now, I wanted to put down a white base on my eyes because of the eyeshadow that I wanted to use. And this, it didn't really blend out that great with this, you know, and that's the corrector is the same type of formula, so I think that's why. However, one thing that it was really, really great for, I used the small side with a liquid eyeshadow, and oh my God, you guys, I really never liked this liquid eyeshadow because I didn't care for the formula, but with this, it worked great. Something about this material just smooths out the liquid eyeshadow, evenly distributes it across your lid. It worked fantastic for that. So this is something that's going to be tossed in August because of its age, but I wanted to try that out. And then this eyeshadow stick is also going to be tossed in August because of its age. And it worked fine with this, but you got to work quick because these e.l.f. sticks set up very fast. And then, you know, I did mascara, I used a brow pencil, then I used a lip liner. Then I wanted to see how this would be with a liquid lipstick. No, not good for a liquid lipstick. I tried it with a liquid lipstick, ended up wiping it all off, didn't like the way it applied at all. I think you're better off with the applicator that comes with a liquid lipstick. And then I said, all right, well, let's try a bullet lipstick. And it was good, but you have to make sure your lips are moisturized because if your lips are not moisturized, this thing is just going to drag across your dry lips and it's not going to be, you know, a good application. So what I normally do when I do my makeup is I put on a lip balm or a lip oil or something like that first, go in and do all my makeup, and then at the end I do my lips, and my lips are still hydrated from my original prep work, you know, kind of like a primer for your lips. And then my lipsticks usually go on nice because of that. So I just used this Be Pure Clean Beauty Nude lipstick with this, and it worked great. So in conclusion, this thing works phenomenal for a lot of products, but not everything. You know, some things you're still going to need brushes for. But I would say probably if I added up all the different makeup products that you could use on your face, I would say you can use this on half the products and it will work phenomenal, but it's just not going to work perfectly with everything. But yeah, my favorite things to use with this are liquid eyeshadows, cream eyeshadows, blush sticks, and I haven't tried it yet with a cream blush, but I'm sure that that would probably work really well too. Um, and bullet lipsticks. So yeah. Oh, and eyeshadow sticks works really great with those too. So it's basically going to make applying most of my blushes, well, no, I can't really say that because I would say half my blushes are powder, so you can't use this with powder. But yeah, stick and cream blushes, liquid and cream and stick eyeshadows, and bullet lipsticks is what I'm going to be using this for. And it is well worth it. I mean, when I do my eyes with all cream or liquid products, this, well, like I said, I never really liked this liquid eyeshadow by Hard Candy because I couldn't get it to apply good with the applicator, with a brush, or with my finger. But with this thing, it just smooths it out and makes it perfect. So yeah, it's definitely worth the money. And I just wanted to give you this additional information in case you were considering it. It's good to know. You know, the more information, the better. So I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.